Hello there, beautiful one. This is Faith Hunter. Get comfortable. Settle into this moment as you prepare for a new year, as you prepare to rise into your fullness. You can do this meditation seated or resting on your back, but wherever you are, soften your gaze or completely close your eyes. Relax your shoulders and start to drop into your breath. Simple, easy inhales and exhales in and out of your nose. As you settle into this moment, I want you to feel into your body and how it is supported by the earth. As you breathe deeply, draw in light and life and limitless possibilities. As you exhale, release all the weight, worry, and doubt. This is your time, a sacred pause to honor the fullness of who you are. As you step into this new year, set an intention to rise unapologetically into your truth. And I want you to repeat this a few times silently to yourself. I am ready to embrace all that I am. I am ready to embrace all that I am. I am ready to embrace all that I am. As you continue to breathe, feel your feet grounding into the earth, strong and steady. Imagine your roots extending deep into the soil, anchoring you into this present moment. And then slowly draw your awareness up into your heart. As you breathe in, feel yourself expanding. As you exhale, let go of the brick walls, the fear, and the stories that no longer serve you. Now bring your attention to the crown of your head. I want you to visualize a golden light pouring into you, filling every part of you with warmth, love, and clarity. And then start to picture yourself standing in a vast open field as the sun shines before you. That golden light mirrors the brilliance within you. This is your essence, radiant, whole, and unapologetically you. as the light surrounds and envelops you. Repeat silently to yourself, I rise. I am radiant. I am whole. With each breath, release the weight of the past. Let go of the doubt, the fears, and the moments you've dimmed your light. Feel them all dissolve and replace them with strength, love, and possibility. Now in your mind, I want you to see the lessons you've learned and the growth you've experienced. They support you in building a solid foundation as you move forward into the new year. Visualize yourself stepping forward, moving into a year filled with magic. See yourself moving with confidence, speaking your truth, and embracing all that makes you uniquely divine. For you are grounded, you are ready, and it is time to rise into your fullness. You are grounded, you are ready, and it is time to rise into your fullness. Now take a deep breath in. Exhale, empty out. Embrace the fullness within you. Feel the light, the strength, the power, and the wholeness within you. And as you bring gentle movement into your body, know that you are ready. As your eyes start to blink open, bring the energy of your divinity, uniqueness, and power, layered with brilliant creativity, into the day, into the coming year, and into every aspect. Thank you so much for experiencing this guided meditation with me. Stay spiritually fly. Ciao.